Hey, I'm Caleb with Woodshop. Today I'd like you to join me making this silverware drawer organizer. It's very fancy and it's made out of red cedar, so let's check it out. Hey, I'm Caleb with Woodshop. Aromatic red cedar, very fancy bedroom stand. Woodshop cheer. For your dead burn eye protection. I've actually made a cardboard version of the silverware organizer that I want to make, and I'm going to use that for figuring out my length, right? Needs to be plugged in. I'll go ahead and rip those to their final width, and I'll rip a couple other boards too, so I'm probably going to need a lot. And the way I'm going to assemble the outside frame is kind of half flap. I've just laid out my prototyped one over this. I just got it taped. I'm not gluing it at the moment. So I'm happy with the way this looks. So now it's time to start lining some things out for dados. I've drawn 3 lines here where 3 main boards will go across. Just use this scrap. Got my lines marked for my dados. What do you think about that? I put this project to a screeching halt last night because I just got really self-conscious about whether or not the frame I made is going to fit in my drawer. Took it home and I test fit putting it in my drawer before gluing it up, and it fit fantastic. I'm just going to rough around this and then I'll attach it, and any excess sticking off the edges I'll just clean up with a flush trim bit in my hand router. Having the base glued on will make putting in the other dividers a lot more easy. Router was from my viewer Todd Breeze. Thanks, Todd. So pretty much now that the base is on and the main construction is done, I really just got to take all these other 2 7/8 inch strips and pretty much just cut the dividers. And I'm using this thing as an idea of which dividers I need to cut. I think I'm going to go ahead and work from left to right. And I probably won't film me making all of these dividers, just the first few, so you get an idea of what exactly I'm doing. Okay, so I got all my dividers out, and only on a handful of them I'm cutting a swoop in there, and I'm just using the scroll saw for that. That'll make it easier to grab stuff out of there. yeah, pretty much I just got to glue it up in this configuration and then it's done. I don't even think I'm going to put a finish on there because I really like the way the cedar smells. So I would like to keep that smell in my drawer. Just glue this thing together and call it done. This is all finished now. I can take all my stuff and switch it over to here. You know the Swedish butter knife we made? Well, made a lot of those. Even if I mess it up, Steve Ramsey made one of these, and I'll include a link to his video in the description. But he said, in this case, no matter how bad you do, a handmade version will always be better suited to your needs over a store-bought plastic one. I'm pretty happy with it, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also be sure and subscribe to my channel too. I have new woodworking projects every single Friday. And you click that notification bell so you will not miss a video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you next time.